Hello, welcome back everyone. Today we're going to read another remarkable story. Today's book is called Mom's Not Cleaning Your Room, written by Lynn Arthur. Now this remarkable story is about a sweet little boy and the messes that he makes. Now let's see what happens. Let's get started. Now that you're big, much bigger than small, there's something you're ready to know. Your roast is a wreck. Get on board. Sweep the deck because Mom's not cleaning your room. The pile has grown tall. It looks ready to fall. And critters are now moving in. The pack rats unpacked and the place is ransacked. Mom's not cleaning your room. An eviction is near. Room for rent? Get your own place. Move out. If you don't pick up, dear, I know, but there's too much to do. Try one at a time. Sing a song. Make it rhyme. Mom's not cleaning your room. Now the dust bunnies sleep tight, dreaming fuzzy good nights, with blankets of dirt on their bed. Now wipe them right down. Turn their frowns upside down. Mom's not cleaning your room. And the drawers that exploded need clothing reloaded. A rainbow of outfits galore. If they fit, fold like so, or else pass to your bro. Mom's not cleaning your room. It's easy to sleep, work, relax, and repeat in a squeaky clean pan. Look how neat. I'm proud of you. You worked hard. Now tackle the yard. Wait, what's that I see? Some elbows and knees. Baby sister, she's come to undo what we have done. Mom's not cleaning your room. Wow, what a wonderful, remarkable story. Thank you for joining us again, boys and girls, for this story time. We thank you for being here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you soon.